Hi, Tito Robert here with Vanilla Escape Land Corporation for another one of Tito Robert's house tours. And here we are in beautiful Vigan Village. Come on, let's check it out. Good afternoon. Come on. And we're going to be checking out this wonderful unit, the NARCISA model. Now, we did check this out bare in Summit Point, but actually these designs are made for Vigan Village. A lot of Filipino architecture there. A lot of the designers nowadays are focusing on a lot of the modern, the Zen, the Bali style. And here at Vanilla Escape Land Corporation, we really wanted to focus on Filipino architecture, Filipino design. And what better to showcase the design of old, the colonial style. So we have the nice lacing on the roof there. We have the nice corrugated look roof there. It's not corrugated, it's not bakal, but it's a nice special material. It has insulative properties, so which is really good, and it really looks the part, diba? There's a lot of precast in the houses, a lot of maarte. Look at those massive balusters back there. Textured walls, and guess what? We get to go and look what it's inside. Come on. Come on. Welcome to the NARCISA house. Check this out. All right. Well, we're invited by this beautiful couch. So after a long day, busy day, you can have a few beers here, maybe sip some wine. Your other friends could be over here. You guys could be talking. This is normally how we set up the living room so we converse. But you can actually put a TV right there, watch TV, especially in this day of being quarantined. We do need some entertainment, but for now, we have people-to-people conversation set up. Coffee table here, nice. And how about in the morning? You can have your coffee, maybe you read a book. You know, we also made this chair. You can also ask us to make furniture for you guys. Lampshade. What we really want to do, showcase is especially the brick accent walls. And these bricks are especially made just for us, and it really provides a nice, it looks kind of cool in here. I mean, it feels cool. Outside it was a little hot, you know, but inside it's actually pretty nice, really comfortable. And we have the vegan tiles here that's polished. So handmade, which is really nice, and you can tell all of your friends you got handmade tiles in your house. And then this kind of cool archway here, kind of have that Lord of the Rings Hobbit feel, and it leads into this kitchen. Your tall slim ref would be here. The house comes with the granite countertop, the cabinetry, the stove. You do have to buy it. It doesn't come with the house. You can have this type of range hood, or you can even have the higher end chimney type range hood. Overhead cabinetry here. Lots of storage for your plates and what have you. Under counter lighting. And here's the dining area. A lot of tayo mga Pilipino, we really love to make tambay around the dining area. This is where we actually do a lot of sitting, eating, and a lot of drinking session. Dito tayo din bumabarik, di ba? Tapos, oh yeah, we got a couple Christmas trees here, undecorated. We're actually preparing way ahead of time. And guess what? Check out these nice shears. It really makes the inside of the home really nice, feel really light, and a lot of the natural light still comes in with providing privacy. And check out that view from the dining area. Beautiful chairs, hanging light here, And of course, our powder room is underneath the stairs. You have a throne there, we have a vanity, we have a mirror. And this leads up to the stairs. We have solid king posts, nice wood railings, wooden balusters, and solid wood planks. Come on, let's go upstairs. Lots of natural light, right? And that's really, really important because, you know, electricity is very expensive. We got the common bathroom here with a nice shower. We have the toilet there, we have the vanity. Perfectly situated to the 2 bedrooms that will be using the bathroom. Nice single-sized bed, closet, and look how beautiful this is varnished, right? That's wood, brick wall accent, and lighting accents for the brick wall. Come on. This is another bedroom. We kind of staged this as a day bed. This could be a second office, or if you have a lot of children, this is another bedroom. Brick wall accent again with accent lighting. Come on, let's go check out the master bedroom. This is a good sized bed. I think this is a nice queen size bed. We got a dresser here, nightstand, and check this out. You have a balcony without leaving or without even going outside, so you can take a breather here, check out the view, check out the mountain view over there. Really beautiful. And we have the master bathroom here. We got the toilet, we got the vanity here. We could brush your teeth, put on some makeup. Nice large shower, nice closet, and check that out, lagayan ng mga shampoo, soap. Diba? Isn't that nice? There's nothing's really cluttered. Now, let's check out the outside again. Come on, come on. Alright everyone, this is actually, we're here at the carport. And check this out, you got your metal trellis here. And you have this nice bougainvillea plant, like making gapang all over the trellis. And imagine when this is fully grown, you got your natural shade here, you got your flowers, and guess what? This sliding door can open, so when you have a fiesta here, you have a party, this is another place where your buddies can make barik, diba? We love making barik here in Philippines, I don't know why. And yeah, check this out. So this is the service area where you can do a lot of servicing. The lots here at Vigan Village comes in different sizes, but as you can see, look how spacious this is. And we all love our bamboo to make things cool. And check out the breeze. I love the breeze. Alright, that wraps up our very first house tour here at Vigan Village. And if you want to know more about this house or any other house, please go to your nearest, friendliest broker or sales agent. They know more about this stuff. Again, Tito Robert here with Vanilla Escape Land Corporation. And remember, be wise, compare.